Hello everyone, I am going to tell you how to install JRE and JDK packages on your Ubuntu machine. I am using 12.04 LTS version. What you will have to do is to go here on this download section on the website of Oracle and then go on to Java for Developer section, which will lead you to this page. Here you have these two packages JDK and JRE. You will click on them on the download link, which will lead you here. You have to accept the license agreement and then download it as per your architecture and the .tar file from here, either 86 or 64. For checking, you have to for this you have to check which architecture your machine has, and for this you will use this command and it will show you. I have 32-bit architecture, so I am going to install this. For I am going to install 32-bit package. Next you have to check whether you have any previous version installed or not. So you will check this using Java version command, and I have no previous version installed, so I am not getting any result from it. If you have any previous version installed, you will see its name, and then what you have to do is to remove it completely, and please remove it completely using this command and then the name of the version which you get above. It can be, for example, say OpenJDK, so you will use this way. It will remove it completely. Then what you will have to do is to make a directory name Java in your /user/local file. So we'll move to that directory /user/local, and we'll say here I have Java previously, so we will have to remove it. And remember that in this file, in this directory, what you need to have is root permissions. So either login as root or use sudo. So as you can see that now we have nothing named Java in the directory, and we can see it here. After this we need to make a directory. That is our first prerequisite, and we are making it. And now we have our Java directory. As you can see, now what we need to do is to copy the downloaded packages, the downloaded JRE and JDK packages from wherever you have downloaded them to this directory. By default it is download folder. I have kept it in my desktop, so I am going to copy it from there. So cp is for copying command, and then you need to give the source. So I have this, and then this for your dot for your present folder, and you will enter, and it is copying. And now you can see that JDK is copied. Now what you have to now do is copy the JRE package, and it is also copied. So as you can see it now. Now what we need to do is to give the executable permissions to both of these packages by everyone. As we can see here that no one is having executable permissions on these at present, but we need to give it executable permissions. So what we will do is use this command A for all and X for executable, and here is JDK and JRE. Now we will see that they have executable permissions. Now what we need to do is extract them or uncompress them, and we will do it using tar utility. See that F and JDK and then JRE. You can give them on in one command both of them, or you can give them separately. It is as per your choice. And okay, it is not found in archive. What we will do is we will give it separately for now, and then we'll go for JRE. So as you can see now that both of them has been extracted, you can see it ls, and you can see it there. They have their library, their license, and everything else is have been extracted from them. So now we have these folders. So this is all for this video. In the next video which I will provide you, we will install it, or we will change the slash etc slash profile, and we will tell the system that they where they are located and make them default for all your Java programs. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching.